What are you doing here?
I'm so sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I'm sorry, sir. So I was just resting here before, sir. But I'm sorry, sir. I'll leave now.
That's fine. This is my father's car, and the only thing I have of him.
Okay, sir.
I've sworn to take care of this car. Not even a fly should petrol it.
Yes, sir.
But it's fine. I'm Commander Moses.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Shake me and your kid. What's that? Shake me, I don't bite.
You say me can shake him.
What's up, my people on a date? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Guys, you know what I do, comedy reaction 100%. So make sure to watch this video to the very end. Drop nice comments. It's very, very important. I share my video. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
You know the reason why I call this meeting now? You see that piece of land where our farm dey, where we know they manage where. I don't decide now, maybe we sell it.
That is the best thing to do. Because the kind hungry way they now, my brother, made them sell that land. Make we share this money and make I go chop a bag.
Now the reason why I call these people where they here. They fit help us sell the land.
No, nah. See, you know, I know be bad person to honor.
Okay.
I for suggest there's another the manage on a farm well, and I for kind of give our company farm to wealth. Now what would they do with that?
Farm to wealth.
Farm to wealth now better agricultural company within Nigeria where they help people manage and cultivate their farm. And they know they're limited to Nigeria. Even if you dey Germany, you dey UK, you dey America, you won't go into agriculture and you don't want to stress yourself. Just contact them, farm to wealth. They go help you manage them, cultivate them, sell the produce, and I go share them. And within 60 days, they go process them. When the produce don't mature, they go sell them. You and them go share the profit according to percentage you wanna agree.
So which kind of farm will they buy?
They process, manage and cultivate cassava farm, yam farm, cocoa farm, timber farm, and even palm oil farm. They run them.
And that our farm where they there, na cassava na food there. So that means the fit manager and work for us. Then when they share the whole thing, make the whole sense, then bring money and we share.
If you message them for Instagram at Farm to Wealth Limited, or visit their website at www.farmtowealth.com/start, or even on Facebook at Sidon Farms, they go reply you and two go agree, do business together.
That means we go sell the crops them now.
Yeah, now.
Bros, me and you don't work for the farm. How much you think say they go give us?
Me, I don't really know how much they buy you, so you go message them for Instagram.
Okay, wanna be agent?
Yes. Yes.
Chat them, no time.
I no go regret am.
No wala boss. Respect. I appreciate. Respect, sir. Respect.
That means it's not the best option.
You know?
We go tell them 2 million naira.
How much you give me?
If we sell them 2 million, I go give you 1 million, collect 1 million. You know, sir, I know they greedy now. Even say I be your senior brother, I still give you equal rights.
Yes, I can go with that.
Now, Juju, you want to put?
Oh, Chim!
You gonna put Juju? Sabinus. See, Momo.
This young boy may end up going mad.
Can you come back here by yourself?
Son! Big. Make sure you bury this on the land. And after that, make sure your brother is the first person to match that spot. Yeah! And in 5 hours, he's dead. And the whole money will be yours.
Yeah.
Jesus!
It is in a play.
Set and shame unto you, all power belongs to Jesus. Set and shame unto you, all power belongs to Jesus. Set and shame unto you, all power belongs to Jesus. Oh,
Sense, I don't know which day this guy go get sense. I know just.
you are a fool. Oh, shame unto you, all power
Sabinus,
belongs.
don't worry. The
Back
next
to
one
sender,
has
no
to
go
buy,
see
no
you.
You bury Juju finish. You must go match up by yourself. Let's go.
Okay.
Mario's crap.
Okay, bye. Oh, I love you. Babe, I said I love you. She's an introvert.
You like you get
How you doing?
Don't think about too much. This is more than just news for you.
Yeah, she left there. No evidence.
Are you not shaggy?
Ah, very sweet girl.
I'm very hungry. Let me just find something to eat here.
What am I going to do?
Of me and you. What will they get? There's no single food in this house. Baby, is it that you don't used to cook or what? Because every time I visit you, your pots are always empty. First, let me just go home and find something to eat.
Wait now.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
How are you?
Close the.
I'm fine.
What are you holding?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
On my way coming, I had to branch to the market to get you some food stuff.
Okay.
You got some food stuff for me.
Who is she?
What thing is this? She's a nobody. She's a nobody. She came to steal and to destroy, but you came to give me life in abundance. If I you will go December and come back at Easter.
No, I'm gonna join this time.
That's what I do for you.
My God, why did you do that? You said they look where they go, now I don't see you. Are you blind? You cannot even apologize. You said you know they look where they go. If they look where they go, now which one be say am I blind? People, so what happened now? My friend, what happened? Just imagine, this girl poured water on me. People, why you pour water for him now? I don't see him now. No vex, my mistake, she don't see you. So why can't she apologize?
Go and ask your grandfather.
But she said she don't see you, na mistake. You come dey complain like say you be woman. She said she don't see you. She said she don't complain. So, madam, is this what you have to say? After he told you she splashed water on me and she could not even say sorry. So you won't come beat am? She said she don't see you eye. So what do you want me? What do you want me she do again? Make she run for ground? Walk and make her whine. Man, we dey do like woman. If they irritate me, man too dey complain. Now wow. Woman go dey complain, man go dey complain. If I'm like go like gentleman, you didn't hear the complain. Okay. It also irritates me when uneducated people without sense come to settle a dispute. You're a very stupid boy. You don't have home training. Am I your mate? Leave him. Stupid ego, born by mistake. Your mother did not train you well. Leave him, I beg. You're a very stupid boy. I beg. If you want me to make a I don't agree. You're crazy. They play! Guys, do you know that PSG is the official sponsor of 1xBet and you can win prizes by betting on PSG matches? Register with my promo code Aloma and you get instant 300% bonus on your first deposit. Press the take part button on the offer page, code name PSG. Place bet on matches featuring Paris Saint-Germain. Earn ticket that qualifies you to win lots of amazing prizes.
How far you are?
Pluto.
My babe won't use on environment snap her birthday pictures. One small challenge there. If you give me one bottle of Azul and Bellarine, make sure they on her photos based on birthday doings.
Then we don't normally do this. So. Because of our birthday.
Fake life.
Oh!
Get up and bring this guy person up.
Hello, J Money. If you want to say your gift card, send to the Nigerian market. They safe, reliable to deal with. They fast for dealing. They for iPhone. They for Android. If you download their app online, make trade with them now. They're sharp. They not be scam. Confirm. Hey!
Pluto.
You open Azul.
The cameraman said I open and saw the picture of fan.
Wait till we tell the bam. I think somewhere there's not the opener. They don't open Azul for picture.
Now wow.
As you tell open this Azul, that's how you take pay.
Sir, are you done taking the picture? Hey! You open Azul?
Now she open them.
You know how much for Azul?
How much?
850,000 naira.
If you no need to talk too much. How much are they pay waiter here? But this can't time next 4 years if you work with them, you will not pay the Azul. Finish.
Hey, no done with this. Oh, Bunny.
I'm tired of this relationship. I'm tired of this relationship. Don't watch me. Every time it's football. Is it football you're dating in this relationship? Eh?
They turn this wonderful
Oh my God. Are you being for real?
Go! They play, man. They watch ball. They talk nonsense.
What What is it? Eh? What is it?
I can explain.
Explain what?
I told you Man City go beat this. Oh, guys, look at what they do. Look at the talk. They don't win now. They don't score. Go Joe. They score Man City.
Man, what you talk?
I talk say you dey crazy. So when they share sense, you go buy ball. Before you come back, the sense don't finish. And why you dey very, very senseless?
Mama, me.
So because you see a whole me beneath sitting Nicki Minaj, now you come here and they price me 180 dey crazy.
I could have killed a lot.
Go carry me now. You dey go punish your papa. Your generation may go punish you.
Let me talk to like that.
I talk to you better you want to.
You buy war.
If you look me back, go see as I carry all back. That's all my sense go back.
What?
No, beat me. Beat me. You want to beat me?
I show woman, now not be a show now, come on, I show woman.
The gate of hell shall not prevail in my business. Can't beat me. Something like this, all my body they play me. The man who carried me last night, that man. You see when he turn me, eh? I say with a quarrel. When I'm coming out, I look so vivacious. Who be this one? They talk say customer not this one wear skirt. Maybe they gonna acquire Riaza. When I tell them, on 100K we they run for here. Oh, no go spell our market. Oh, don't spell our market. Oh, that's why they will not get sense. I don't wear wig when you borrow. She even do makeup. Come wear loss. I talk and saw these girls when near me. The way they near me, I talk and say they use my destiny. I don't understand why they near me. Have you done they do girls?
Jesus!
Hey!
You don't start me, Abi. I don't want your friends don't go.
Mr. Life, you don't get sense.
What are you doing here?
I'm so sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I'm sorry, sir. So I was just resting here before, sir. But I'm sorry, sir. I'll leave now.
That's fine. This is my father's car, and the only thing I have of him. Okay, sir. I sworn to take care of this car. Not even a fly should petron it.
Yes, sir.
But it's fine. I'm Commander Moses.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Shake me and your kid. What's that? Shake me, I don't bite.
You see me can shake him.
No soldier is dead and gone to his grave.
Gone to his grave. Oh, that's what no soldier is gonna. He's dead and gone to his grave. Oh. What's going on here? Hiding from a toddler.
I'm not eating anything. Eating? It's my mouth. Nothing. Nothing. That means $1.
Wait, but just give her one plantain.
No. We go. Not the man lost. Be going. Be going.
Now I'm picking
Be going. Not. Not that be going. Not that place be going.
It's in there.
Plantain. No, I don't see my mouth yet. I'm not even. I'm fasting. Mommy is fasting. Falatola is calling you. No, Falatola is calling you.
Send a message.
No,
I go get something.
No. We going. Yeah.
Very hot. You don't burn out.
Anytime when I try to
wait for that to
Oh my God.
Not. What did I do for you now?
That's my date over there, bro.
Now my date be that now.
Hey! What kind of my date now? Keep saying our date.
How can my date be that?
Bro, if I prank, stop him. Don't try to
stop now.
I'm saying our date.
We see him again, here date.
What you was seeing now? What you was saw now? What you 500 label. Category rank up. Would you my favor?
Guys!
No, your leg there.
Like your date. Like your date. Like your date. Why did I call your date? Like your date. Yeah, like your date.
I don't see what issue.
Lady, no long story. Make you do and fast. Back then you go home.
Do you have a car?
What question is that? Have you seen me in a Lambo before?
No.
A Range Rover?
No.
What about Tesla?
No.
Oh yeah, no get car, make we go.
Me, I won't go. I won't go.
Sake of I no get car, I no get feeling. Because of car, you no make a knock you.
You won't knock.
Hey, sake of car?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Your papa get car?
You don't want? No.
Oh yeah, then enter, make we go.
Bimini. I need a perfect picture for Chief. First in the back of our car, they snap. You won't pause so that you get car. When I do to the fake life. Natutu no get sense. You can never. You know you cannot. Bigmouth. You can never make it.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I don't wanna miss a chance to give it that instant loving. Instant loving.
Get over here!
Rise up and walk.
Hey!
Every time I try to divorce my wife. If she go outside, she go fire. Oh yeah, she go turn again.
Jesus!
Igante. Ega no case we le onye isi oje.
Come on again, she go shout.
What be this?
Motherfucker. I enter back.
Ọ̀rọ̀ obìnrin ò ṣe é gbé sáyà tó bá gbé ọ̀rọ̀ obìnrin sáyà ayé àbàjẹ́ wàá kú dànù.
If you can't like outside, you fine. You come inside, you son to
Since 21, them that's my toma.
Jesus.
I never stop giving back to back.
Hey, babe.
Oh, thank you so much, baby.
You're welcome.
Baby, do you remember when we were in the gym? When I was telling you about that girl that have BBA, that let me tell you later.
Drink up, baby.
Yes. Baby, you not see this.
Jesus!
See what this is crazy.
Baby.
That's crazy, baby.
Hey, your drink will be cold now. Drink.
Cold, girl. Room temperature.
Yes.
I get it. Just good drink. No, baby.
Don't drink it.
Sorry, I don't know if you could anyone.
That's what I'm saying. I'm poisoning it. I'm poisoning it.
Hey! You poison my drink.
I'm protecting my life. You're frustrating me.
No, because I'm frustrating you. That's why you want to kill me. How you shaping Yoruba say pe Tabanja bika kuko. If we are fighting, you mean we should now die. The nose is very wicked. You know how to smell evil person. The stomach is too deep. It don't let us to see the true intention of a wicked person. You're getting more shape. What did I do for you? I'm sorry. No problem. We'll drink it together. You go first.
When you know say you don't get the stomach to poison her, why you can't go put the poison in the first place? You're not supposed to do that. But anyways, you get people who say they get the mind, you go poison you go buy, no concern now. That's it. Anyways, thanks guys for watching this video to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right there in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that. Drop nice comments and share my video. Check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out.